Welcome back to World of Sports. 51st Junior National Boys Kabaddi Championship. This match between Karnataka and Telangana just started. Karnataka jersey number 12 is indeed with the defense of 7 players of Telangana. First aid of Karnataka. Claimed for a touch point. Let's see what decision will be given. 1 touch point to Karnataka. Amazing raid by Telangana player. Let's see how many points will be given to Telangana. 3 raids, super raid by Telangana. Now jersey number 11, Karnataka player is indeed with the defense of 7 players of Telangana. Bonus is available for him. Let's see if he will succeed in taking any touch or bonus point or not. An empty read by Karnataka. Now jersey number 10 is indeed with the defense of 4 players of Karnataka. Bonus is not available for him. Claimed for a touch point, yes. Right corner jersey number 4 out 1 point to Telangana. Now jersey number 11 is indeed one touch point will be given to Karnataka. Score is 4-2, 4 points Telangana, 2 points Karnataka. 1 touch point will be given to Telangana, I think. Again, right corner out. One point to Telangana. Now jersey number 12 is indeed with the defense of 7 players of Telangana. Bonus is available for him. 2 points to Karnataka. Amazing raid by Karnataka player. Now jersey number 10 is indeed with the defense of 5 players of Karnataka. Score is 5-4, 5 points Telangana, 4 points Karnataka. Telangana is leading by only 1 point. Now jersey number 11, Karnataka player is indeed amazing defense. 1 more point will be given to Telangana. Now score is 6-4. 6 points Telangana, 4 points Karnataka. I think they had succeeded. 1 point will be given to Telangana. Score is 7-4. Empty lead by Karnataka player jersey number 12. Now Telangana player is indeed only 3 defenders are available and 1 easy peasy point for Telangana. 1 point to Telangana. Score is 8-4, 8 points Telangana, 4 points Karnataka. Telangana is leading by 4 points. 1 bonus plus 1 point to Karnataka. Telangana plays indeed with the defense of 3 players of Karnataka. Points to Telangana. Amazing lead by jersey number 10. Jersey number 4 and 5 out. 2 points. It's an all-out situation for Karnataka. Let's see the Raider jersey number 12 will succeed or not. He has to take a touch point, otherwise it will be an all-out for Karnataka. 2 plus 1, 3 points to Karnataka, 3 points to Telangana and bonus point to Karnataka. टाइम आउट के बाद में एक बार फिर से तेलंगाना के प्लेयर चले रेडी. Empty read by Telangana player. Now just number 10 is indeed attempted for a bonus point but not given any point. Now just number 10 Telangana player is indeed. Red out 1 point to Karnataka. Score is 8-13, 8 points Karnataka, 13 points Telangana. Telangana is leading by only 5 points. One point to Telangana. (14-8). Bonus point to Telangana. Now jersey number 11 Karnataka player is indeed.
First ball. Tripura versus Chandigarh. Jharkhand versus Goa. First ball. Tripura versus
For a touch
Chandigarh.
point, let's see. Point will be given to Karnataka, 1 point. Score is 9-15, 9 points Karnataka, 15 points Telangana.
कितना भाई कर्नाटक
9-15. One more point to Telangana. Now 16-9. Tried for dash out but didn't succeed. Bonus plus 1 point to Karnataka. Defender out. Amazing defense of Karnataka. 1 more point to Karnataka. Now jersey number 11 Karnataka player is in reach with the defense of 5 players of Telangana. Empty read. Now jersey number 10 Telangana player is indeed.
అది
Entry lead by Telangana. Now Karnataka player just number 10 is in lead. Claim for a touch point. Right corner, 14 number just out. 1 point to Karnataka. Score is 13-16. Empty lead. Now jersey number 12 is ready for read. With the defense of 4 players of Telangana. Empty read by Karnataka. Now do or die read for Telangana. Jersey number 10 again is in read with a fully defense of 7 players of Karnataka. Defense mistake. Jersey number 10 out. Telangana, Karnataka play 1 point to Telangana. Score is 17-13. Timeout by Telangana. Now Karnataka player jersey number 11 is in lead with the defense of 5 players of Telangana.
ఏం బ్లాక్ బాబు ఆదు బాబు ఇది మనమే కానా ఇది
It's been a thriller match from the starting of this match. I think warning will be given to jersey number 12 of Karnataka.
थोड़ा सा प्लीज वो गेट कीजिए, पीछे से निकल जाइए प्लीज।
Amazing defense of Karnataka. 1 point to Karnataka. Score is 14-17. 14 points Karnataka, 17 points Telangana. One more point will be given to Karnataka. Score is 15-17, only 2 points lead of Telangana.
ನೋಡಿ ಊಟ ಕರ್ಪೀಗ ಬೋನಸ್
Safe read. Now jersey number 10 is in read with the defense of 3 players of Telangana. One more point to Karnataka.
అయిపోయిందా
Now the score is 16-17. Telangana is leading by only 1 point. And only 2 players are left in Telangana's court. Enrich, jersey number 4 is in read. Claimed a touch point. Let's see, 1 point will be given to him or not. 1 touch point to Telangana. Score is 18-16. Jersey number 4 out, 1 point to Telangana. Now jersey number 10, Karnataka player is in read. It can be an all out or it can be a super tech or 1 point to Karnataka. 17 points Karnataka, 18 points Telangana. Telangana is leading by only 1 point.
బోనస్ వచ్చింది.
1 to Telangana. Score is 19-17. Now jersey number 11 is in read. Back kick by jersey number 11.
సైజ్ మాత్రం మామూలుగా అవుతుంది. ఏ బాబు అతను
1 point to Karnataka. Now the only last player of Telangana is in read. Score is 18-19.
ముందు బోనస్ తీసుకో.
In favor of Telangana, and amazing defense. 2+1, 3 points to Karnataka. All-out team Telangana. Now jersey number 12 Karnataka player is in read. And 2 more points to Karnataka. Amazingly. (23-19). Now Karnataka is leading by 4 points. Amazing back hold by jersey number 6. 1 more point to Karnataka. नहीं अरे तो चाय नहीं पिए रे पकड़ को चलो ये तो चाय नहीं पिए तो पापा आ देगा नहीं पी लेगा नहीं हाफ टाइम कंप्लीट कोड चेंज हाफ टाइम स्कोर 24 points Karnataka 24 point Karnataka and 19 points Telangana. Karnataka is leading by 5 points. After half time, first trade is from Telangana. Jersey number 10 is in read. Amazing defense. 1 point to Karnataka. Point की नहीं गए हो? तो पॉइंट किसको मिला लास्ट रेड पॉइंट किसको मिला ये लास्ट रेड डिफेंस हुआ नहीं ना एक जना लास्ट रेड हाँ ओके 1 more point to Karnataka 2 points है Yeah. 26 points Karnataka and 19 points Telangana. One more point to Karnataka. Now the only last player of Karnataka, Telangana, is indeed jersey number 4. It's an all-out situation for Telangana. Let's see if he will succeed in protecting his team from getting an all-out of attempted for a dubki but didn't succeed. 2+1, 3 points will be given to Karnataka and no bonus point. 30 points Karnataka and 19 points Telangana. Now Karnataka is leading by 11 points. 11 अंकों की बढ़त फिलहाल कर्नाटका। तो नहीं उस पे हाथ उस पे हाथ
ಮಾಡಿದಾರೋ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಓಡಿ ಹೋದ್ರಮ್ಮ ಇದೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೋ
empty lead by Karnataka.
हमरा లాస్ట్ తీసి బాల్
Jersey number 14. Amazing defense of Karnataka. 1.2 Karnataka. Now jersey number 10 is in route.
కానీ లెగ్ దాటిన
31 Karnataka, 19 points Telangana. Now Karnataka is leading by 12 points. 1 point will be given to Telangana. After so much time, 1 point to Telangana.
లాబీ
Played self out, 1 point to Telangana. Now jersey number 9 Telangana player is in lead with the difference of 5 players of Karnataka. Score is 21 Telangana and 31 Karnataka. Karnataka is leading by 10 points. Now jersey number 12 Karnataka player is in lead with the defense of 7 players of Telangana. Thirty-one, 21.
लोग हमारी रत्ना कर रहे हैं बोनस देंगे
31-21 का स्कोर.
बॉल तो नहीं है पर वो भी नहीं करो दीज आर लास्ट मैचेस ऑफ मेरे जान पे के दो వెళ్ళిపో టైం లేదు
1 more point to Telangana. Now jersey number
సంస్కృతిగా
green card given to Karnataka coach for coaching during date. Bonus point to Karnataka.
मिले आपने को
And 1 tackle point to Karnataka. 33-21. Now Karnataka played jersey number 12 is in lead with the defense of 6 players of Telangana. One tackle point to Telangana. Twenty-two, 33, 22 points Telangana, 33 points Karnataka. Now read out 1 point to Karnataka. Now jersey number 10 Karnataka player is in lead. bonus point to Karnataka.
బ్లాక్ లైన్ టచ్ చేస్తే బోనస్ పాయింట్ ఎక్స్ట్రా
Continuously, Karnataka team players are taking points for their team. Now, Telangana player jersey number 14 is in lead with the defense of 5 players of Karnataka. Returned empty-handed. Now, read by Karnataka.
పబ్లిక్ లేదు 7-7 10 పాయింట్ బాగుంది
Empty read. Now, jersey number 10, Telangana player is in lead with the defense of 5 players of Karnataka. Trying his best to take any points for his team, and Raider, I think, out. 1 point to Karnataka. 36-22. Warning given to jersey number 11 Karnataka player for holding jersey during tackle. Now Karnataka is leading by 14 points. 36 points Karnataka, 22 points Telangana. Now Telangana player is in lead, jersey number 14 with the defense of 6 players of Karnataka. Bonus is available for him. Let's see if he will succeed in taking any bonus point or not.
ఏ పాయింట్ లేవు మనకి మన దేవుడు
Empty read by Telangana. (36-22). 14 points. One more point to Karnataka. Time out by Karnataka. 15 अंकों की बढ़त फिलहाल कर्नाटक के पास. कर्नाटका इज लीडिंग बाय 15 पॉइंट्स. 37 पॉइंट्स कर्नाटका, 22 पॉइंट्स तेलंगाना. 37-22 का स्कोर. टाइम आउट के बाद में एक बार फिर से 14 नंबर जर्सी तेलंगाना के प्लेयर चले रीड. One tackle point to Karnataka and bonus point to Telangana.
లేకపోతే బోల్ అవుతుంది లేకపోతే జనం బిట్టు బోనస్ ఎంత పక్కన दी पॉइंट आप दो डायरेक्ट है
सेपरेट के साथ में लौटेंगे. Now Telangana player jersey number 8 is indeed one touch point to Telangana. Jersey number 4 out. 1 point to Telangana. 24-38. Karnataka is still leading by 14 points. Empty read. Now jersey number 8 Telangana player is in lead. One more tackle point to Karnataka. Karnataka's team is playing very well in comparison to Telangana. Do or die read for Karnataka. Only Three defenders are available in Telangana's court, and I think it's an super tackle by Telangana. One defender also out. Super tackle, 2 points to Telangana and 1 point to Karnataka. Later succeeded, 2 points to Telangana. Number 4 and 8 out. 2 points to Telangana. Jersey number 9, Telangana plays indeed. One more point to Karnataka. Last 5 minutes remaining of this match, and Karnataka score 42 and Telangana 27.
41-29.
क्या बोला स्कोर टाइम आउट बाय तेलंगाना. टाइम आउट के बाद में एक बार फिर से तेलंगाना के प्लेयर 10 नंबर जर्सी चले रेड में. once again जर्सी नंबर 10 तेलंगाना प्लेयर इज इन रीड. One easy peasy point to Telangana. Good I read for Karnataka. One point to Karnataka. One more point to Karnataka. I think player got injured while ready. It's an all-out situation. No, not all-out. It's an super tackle situation for Telangana. But jersey number 11 made his read valid and is waiting patiently for the time to pass. Timeout by Karnataka. Yes, number 14, Telangana plays indeed. Amazing back hold by Karnataka player. Jersey number 6.
कर्नाटक ब्लैक है वो सांबर की.
Has 2 minutes remaining of this
Hello,
match.
last and final call, Jharkhand versus Goa. I request the team manager to kindly sit immediately on court number 2. Last and final call, Tripura versus Chandigarh. I request the team manager to kindly sit immediatly
1 point
on
to
court number 2.
Karnataka. All out situation for Telangana. 2 plus 1, 3 points to Karnataka. All out team Telangana. One tackle point to Karnataka. more points to Karnataka. Amazing read by jersey number 7 Karnataka player. Score is 52-28 and one more point to Karnataka. Bonus point to Telangana. Jersey number 7 attempted for a back kick and one straight point to Karnataka. Jersey number 9 out. Now jersey number 10. ठीक है शायद ये लास्ट ट्रेड and Karnataka won this match by a margin of 24 points. 54 points Karnataka and 29 points Telangana. Congratulations to Karnataka.